Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Kids Education. My channel is related to the study methods of KG class. Here you will find lots of videos related to rhymes, stories, alphabets, counting, morning assembly as well as good habits. And I will provide education from the core of my heart. Today I will teach proper formation of counting 1 to 30. So let's start with me counting 1 to 30. I will write on the blackboard counting counting 1 to 30. First of all, I will put dots of 1 to 30 fast. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, now let's start with me. One stroke down to make the number 1. One stroke down to make the number 1. Now up around and out to make the number 2. Now slipping line, slanting line and half around to make the number 3. Slanting line and out and a cut to make the number 4. Slipping line and down and half around to make the number 5. Now all the way round to make the number 6. Now 7. Slipping line and slanting line to make the number 7. Half around and half around and go up to make the number 8. Now 9. Half around and down to make the number 9. Now one stroke down and a 0 to make the number 10. Now it's time to 11. One stroke down to make the number 11. One stroke down, up around and out to make the number 12. One stroke down, slipping line, slanting line and half around to make the number 13. Now one stroke down, slanting line and out and a cut to make the number 14. Now one stroke down, slipping line and down and half around to make the number 15. Now one stroke down, all the way round and turn to make the number 16. Now one stroke down, slipping line, slanting line to make the number 17. Now 18. One stroke down, up around, again up around and go up to make the number 18. Now one stroke down, up around and down to make the number 19. Now up around and out and a 0 to make the number 20. Now it's time to make 21 to 30. Let's start. Up around and out and one stroke down to make the number 21. I will repeat it again. Up around and out and one stroke down to make the number 21. Up around and out, up around and out to make the number 22. Up around and out, slipping line, slanting line and half around to make the number 23. Now up around and out, slanting line and out and a cut to make the number 24. Now up around and out, slipping line and down and up around to make the number 25. Now up around and out, all the way around to make the number 26. Now up around and out, slipping line and slanting line to make the number 27. Now up around and out, up around and go up to make the number 28. Now up around and out, up around and down to make the number 29. Now slipping line, slanting line and up around and a 0 to make the number 30. I hope guys you enjoy this proper formation of counting 1 to 30. If you like this formation then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.